Hi there, during this video, I'm going to show you how you can claim this new ClickFunnels discount where you get 3 months of ClickFunnels for just $99. So to get started, you want to navigate to gomarketing.com/ClickFunnels, or you can also click the link below to access this exact website that we are looking at right now. Now, once we land on this website, we can either click on Get Started at the top right-hand corner, or we can scroll down and we can go ahead and enter our email address here and then click on Get Started. Once we do that, that's going to redirect us to this page that we see where we need to enter our name and our email address and then click on Continue. And then that's going to take us to the checkout page where we need to enter our billing information. Now again, as you can see, we are getting 3 months for just $99. And this is usually a plan that costs $197 per month. So as you can tell, this is an awesome deal. And again, you can click the link below to access this ClickFunnels discount, or again, you can navigate to gomarketing.com/ClickFunnels.